End of the over. 85 for 4. Target. Driven handsomely through the covers. 4. Terrific hit. Target.
That's a good enough strike. Will land safe and will get him a boundary as well.
That's a beauty. Floodlights. Gregory to continue. Smashed. That sounded absolutely fantastic. Got all the way.
Wow. That's the longest first game as well. Mithun was striking it well. But this one, Shanaka, sounded so sweet from the bat. Strong shot. Yeah. You need to be surprised. We all are as well. Up and over. Take another shot. Yet another maximum from Shanaka. This time, straight as an arrow.
Absolute beauty. It's a back stroke from Shanaka, the skipper. No, it's in the slot. It's a hit-me ball. Shanaka does not miss out. That's what we're used to seeing. Good firm strokes down the ground all the way. Whiplash for Lewis Gregory as he looks over his shoulder.
That bat coming down so very straight. Great shot. Wonderful pickup. He's batting in another zone completely, Shanaka. Another maximum.
Slow balls or get your Yorkers in. This is in the slot. Back of the length. Oh, it's a short boundary that side. Just 64 yards. Helps it on its way. That's a wonderful shot. Third maximum for the captain. He knows he got it wrong.
Sounded sweet. Looks good as well. Back-to-back sixes for Shanaka.
And all of a sudden, the Warriors' innings has been catapulted. 136 for 7, and all down to this man. Dasun Shanaka from Sri Lanka. Doesn't even get all this, but as I mentioned, just 64 yards out there. Gets enough. And with every 6, it's taking a little bit more time, and all at the moment, the Rangpur Rangers, they've taken and it.
One more. Wonderful striking from Shanaka. And it's just piling on the misery.
Have a look at the bottom hand. Brings that bottom hand and just shovels it. Beautiful position he got himself into. In the slot by the Fizz. It's poor bowling again, but you've got to still put it away. Credit to the batsman. This is it.
Free hit for him. And another 6. This is even longer. What a strike. Get another ball because he's reached a half century.
It's in a tuk-tuk. Look at this. Beautiful stroke. Oh, yes, please. I'll have a bit of that.
Outstanding piece of hitting. Wonderful. He's hit the short ball. A ball which has had a change of pace on it. Full ball, and now a perfect placed delivery to a batsman. All have gone dispatched. Change the bowler. The result is still the same. It still goes the maximum.
7 maximums for Shanaka. Again, it's length. It's neither a bouncer nor a Yorker. It's there to hit. It was close to a no ball as well. That bottom hand coming in. Oh, he's clobbered that.
Lovely. Excellent placement. Very good effort.
The offside. Not an area he's favoured today. Shanaka's generally gone leg side, but goes offside. Good effort in the deep. Again, the knee getting stuck in the ground. That ball just...
Short pitch ball. High in the air. There isn't a protection down at the boundary, and you don't need it. when it's the maximum.
Well, we've seen some cracking maximums today. This might be the best, you know, from mid-off. Done really well to get the power to carry all the way. This guy's got some immense striking ability.
The only question, again and again, that comes to mind now is, why are the bowlers not wanting to use the full ball? The York. Full ball in the slot again, and the result is same. What a knock from the captain Shanaka. He's hit 3 boundaries and 9 sixes, and he takes the Warriors to 173 for the loss of 7 wickets.
Amazing. Absolutely amazing how this innings has been turned on its head. The game 173 for 7. This is how the innings came to an end. Ah, beauty. Inside out, mid-off was in the ring. Fantastic. Sunzamo, well, what a partnership. 49 off 14. He didn't even face the ball, young man.
That was smart running from Sunzamo. The last ball of the 19th over.